Hi, welcome back. Today's tutorial is one you will love, especially if your eyes ever feel tired while using your phone, or if you're setting up a device for a child or elderly parents. I'm going to show you how to make your smartphone easier on the eyes using features like eye comfort shield, dark mode, font and screen zoom, and extra dim. So let's jump in. So step one, enable eye comfort shield or blue light filter. On Samsung phones like Galaxy S22 Ultra, you go to settings and you go to display and you select eye comfort shield. Eye comfort shield, this one, turn it on. Okay, you can choose adaptive, so your phone adjusts automatically throughout the day, or custom, or you can set custom to set your own schedule. So for Tecno, Infinix, Xiaomi and most Android phones, it may be called eye care or blue light filter. You go to settings, display, eye care and enable it. On iPhone, you go to settings, you go to display and brightness, and you go to night shift and set a schedule to reduce blue light. This filter reduces eye strain and helps with better sleep if you're using your phone at night. Number two thing that you can do is to turn on dark mode. So on Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus and others, you still go to settings. So I'm still on the display settings. So this is display on the settings. So you go to display and this is where you go to turn on dark mode. This is light mode and this is dark mode. Or you might say dark mode or dark theme, and toggle it on. Okay, so on iPhone, you go to settings, you go to display and brightness, appearance, and then dark. This makes background black and text white. It's much easier on the eyes and also saves battery. Step 3, use extra dim. So for Samsung users, you go to settings, this is still the settings, and you go to accessibility and visibility enhancement, or mine says vision enhancement, and you find extra dim here, and you toggle it on and adjust, or you toggle it on and adjust the intensity. You can also adjust the intensity here. Okay, so on some Tecno, Infinix and Xiaomi phones, you might find a similar feature under display brightness with a setting like low brightness mode. If you use your phone at night or in low light, this is a game changer. Step 4, adjust font size and screen zoom. On Samsung Galaxy, this is still the settings. You go on again on the display and then you go to font size and style. Here you can make the text bold or larger, so you can have it bold text, or you can increase the font size here. So go back again to settings and then display again, and then screen zoom to make icons and interface elements larger. So here you can make the screen, you can zoom the screen bigger or smaller, set it to what you want. On most Android phones, you will find this under settings, display, font size or display size. On iPhone, you go to settings, display and brightness, text size or settings, accessibility, display and text size, and then you can choose larger text. This is great for seniors or anyone who struggle with small text. Step 5, set up bedtime routine or focus mode. This is optional, right? Do you want your phone to auto dim or turn to grayscale at night? On Samsung, you go to settings and you go to modes and routines, and you go to sleep, and you set a routine that lower that lowers brightness or turns on eye comfort shield and silences notification. So here you can set that, you follow the prompts and you do that. So on Android, OnePlus, Xiaomi, you use digital well-being, bedtime mode. On iPhone, use focus mode, then sleep, and customize what happens during this time. So that's it. Now your phone is much easier on the eyes, perfect for kids, seniors, or anyone using their phone for long hours. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs this, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech with Onyi for more helpful tech tutorials. Drop a comment, let me know what phone you're using. I'd love to make more tutorials tailored to your device.